To access some system components, you will need to remove the power supply cage. To remove the power supply cage, first remove the side cover, the top fan, or CPU water cooler, depending on whether the system is air or water cooled, and any graphics cards installed in the unit. Remove the motherboard bracket from the unit. Remove the cable holder, the power supply cover, and the power supply. Remove the bottom grille and the bottom inner small bracket. Remove the rear grille cover and the back cover. Remove the wireless LAN antennas from the cable clip on the side of the power supply cage. Detach the single Phillips No. 2 screw inside the unit for the power supply cage. Detach the 4 Phillips No. 2 screws on the rear of the chassis for the power supply cage. Pull the power supply cage into and then out of the unit. There are 2 slots on the top inside edge of the power supply cage that fit over tabs on the inside wall of the chassis. There is also a slot on the bottom of the power supply cage that fits over a tab on the bottom of the PC. To replace the power supply cage, align the slots near their tabs. Pressing the cage against the chassis wall, slide the cage toward the rear of the unit until the tabs are fully engaged in the slots. Replace the 4 Phillips No. 2 screws at the rear of the chassis. Replace the single Phillips No. 2 screw on the inside of the chassis to secure the power supply cage to the PC. Replace the wireless LAN antennas into the cable clip on the side of the cage.